Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to remove inappropriate functions in Google Sheets using xFanatical SafeDoc. In an educational setting, providing students with access to Google Sheets can be highly beneficial for data analysis and collaborative projects. However, certain functions within Google Sheets, such as those that fetch data from external websites or manipulate data in unintended ways, can be misused or lead to distractions, which may pose a security risk. By setting up a list of approved URLs and blocking access to all others, administrators can enhance the security of the organization's data and ensure safer usage of these tools in a classroom. That's where xFanatical SafeDoc comes for the rescue. SafeDoc can help enforce these restrictions, allowing institutions to customize their Google Workspace experience and prevent misuse. Setting it up is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDoc, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, by selecting the Block Sheet Functions policy, you can remove inappropriate functions in Google Sheets easily. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.